What if I told you that you could build and launch a fully functional web app in under 5 minutes without opening VS Code, setting up a local environment, or writing a single line of code yourself? It sounds like clickbait, but thanks to Anthropic's feature called Claude Artifacts, it's 100% real. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how I built a complete, interactive habit tracker app from scratch in just 5 minutes with absolute zero setup. So, what exactly is an artifact? When you ask Claude to write code, instead of just dumping text into the chat, Artifacts opens a dedicated side panel right next to your conversation. This panel lets you preview your code, run interactive React components, and see your web application update live in real time. Let's jump in. First, navigate to Claude.ai and make sure the Artifacts feature is toggled on in your settings. Step 1 is all about crafting the right prompt. You want to be clear and specific about what you want your app to do. I typed, create a modern, responsive habit tracker app using React and Tailwind CSS. It should let users add daily habits, check off completed days, display a visual progress bar, and save data locally. Within seconds, Claude started writing the code, and the right side panel automatically popped open. Just like that, there was my app, fully styled, completely interactive, and ready to use directly inside my browser window. Step 2 is iterating. This is where the magic happens. What if I want to change the visual design or add a new feature? I don't need to dive into any code. I just talk to Claude. I asked it to add a dark mode toggle, an option to delete habits, and a celebration effect when completing a habit. Seconds later, Claude updated the artifact, and the dark mode was instantly live. Finally, step 3 is using your app. You can interact with it right inside Claude, copy the clean code straight into your own project, or export it. That's literally it. Zero setup, zero headache, full web app in under 5 minutes. Give it a try yourself, drop a comment below letting me know what app you built, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.